This is looking just past the spot repair we did down there further. We're sealing over that gasket. This is coming back past it. This is where we began our spot repair. Nice seamless transition. Somewhere about in here is where that gasket was poking up. And then that's where we ended it. Just nice and smooth. Barely even tell it's there. Now we're going to come back towards the home. This is where that unit to the north ties in from their bathroom groups. And then this is coming over where we dug down and placed the clean outs. We put in two-way clean out, that way they can be cleaned out from both directions. It's the other clean out. And then this is our other spot repair where we did over that 45 fitting. Right here there's a whole bunch of roots. We discovered the reason why is because when they laid a water line, they had smashed the top of this pipe somewhere about in here and had just duct taped over it, but there was still a good crack running down, which allowed those roots to come through. And then that's where we started it, nice and smooth. And we come back onto the cast iron pipe. And then we come up and out of the toilet hole.